central North Carolina. Durham County in central North Carolina. Forsyth County in central North Carolina. Guilford County in central North Carolina. Northwestern Montgomery County in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Willamette County in central North Carolina. Davidson County in central North Carolina. Durham County in central North Carolina. Forsyth County in central North Carolina. Guilford County in central North Carolina. Northwestern Montgomery County in central North Carolina. Orange County in central North Carolina. Randolph County in central North Carolina. Northeastern Stanley County in central North Carolina. Until 11:30 Eastern Daylight Time. Highways at 8:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Durham, High Point, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Asheboro, Lexington, Graham, Hillsboro, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Baden Lake, Thomasville, Kernersville, Carrboro, Clemens, Mebane, Butner, and Seagrove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.